What happens to your body if you eat blueberries every day, according to a registered dietitian? You're not alone if you've been popping blueberries by the handful lately. Peak blueberry season is in the summer months, specifically July through August, and bushels of berries are everywhere these days, from the farmer's market to your local grocery store. While blueberries are a perfectly fine fruit snack all on their own, they're also delicious blended into smoothies, tossed in salads, muddled into cocktails and baked into blueberry muffins, pies, scones and tarts. The list goes on and on. Their endless appeal makes them one of the most popular berries to buy, not to mention all of their health benefits. We see you, antioxidants. But can you eat blueberries every day? Are blueberries healthy? According to Hill, blueberries have long been considered a superfood, because they provide a lot of different nutrients, which contribute to various positive effects on your health. Those effects include heart, brain, digestive, eye and skin benefits, she says. Moreover, blueberries can contribute to type 2 diabetes management, cancer prevention and weight management due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in blueberries may help to support hormonal balance, heart health, and skin health, while the folate and vitamin C can contribute to fertility and prenatal health, she explains. Ever wonder why so many skincare products list blueberry extract as an ingredient? That would be because this magical berry is just as powerful as it's tasty. It can fight the signs of aging and boost your skin's glow meter big time. As for the mighty berry's link to fertility and prenatal health, Hill says the anti-inflammatory properties in blueberries may help alleviate some of the discomfort associated with menstrual cramps and inflammation. Their fiber content may also help regulate blood sugar levels and contribute to a healthy heart and digestive system, she adds. Finally, a previous study by the National Library of Medicine states that a higher intake of flavonoids, particularly from berries, appears to reduce rates of cognitive decline in older adults. So, if you have a family history of memory loss and want to be proactive about doing everything you can to keep it at bay, upping your blueberry consumption may be a smart lifestyle adjustment. The healthiest ways to eat blueberries. With so many health benefits linked to blueberries, you would assume eating them by the bushels would be just fine, but because this berry contains a moderate amount of sugar, around 15 grams per cup, you must be mindful of how you're ingesting this sweet little fruit. Some of the healthiest ways to consume blueberries are in their fresh and raw form because they maintain more of the nutritional value unprocessed or uncooked, shares Hill. Enjoying a few as a morning or afternoon snack solo or mixed with other berries like strawberries and blackberries is her #1 suggestion, followed by blueberries in smoothies, used as a topping for oatmeal, yogurt and salads, or frozen into popsicles. As hard as it may be in the middle of summer, when freshly baked blueberry pies and blueberry-based confectionery goods are rampant, these aren't the healthiest ways to enjoy the superfood. The least healthy ways to eat blueberries are in sugary desserts or paired with deep-fried recipes. If consumed daily, a person will likely have an increased antioxidant and anti-inflammatory food intake, which may lead to improved heart health, digestive health, blood sugar regulation, cancer risk and chronic disease risk, says Hill. How many blueberries can you eat in a day? What happens if you eat too many blueberries?